Today I'm going to make miso flavored mushroom and pak choy with rice. I'm washing the rice so the water goes clear. I've cleaned the rice and put boiling water, and I'll now put it at high heat and cook the rice with the lid on. The rice is boiling now, so I will lower the heat here to completely 1. These are the 2 vegetables I'll be using, pak choy and these small button baby mushrooms. So I've cleaned the mushrooms and cleaned the pak choy, so make sure to wash the pak choy with cold water because the hot water will wilt the leaves. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil and some chopped garlic. This is 3 cloves of garlic. I've added the mushrooms. I'm now adding this miso paste onto the mushrooms. I'm adding some water to help it dissolve. Make sure to dissolve the miso paste in water properly and distribute it equally. I'm just going to let this cook now. I've cut these from the pak choy, so the really thick bit, which I'm going to cook first, and then I'm going to cook the leaves at the end for only like 2 minutes because this part cooks much faster than these parts. I've added a bit more water so that it doesn't burn, just so that the mushrooms can soften a lot more. I'm going to add a little bit of the dark soy sauce. Not too much. You can see that it's becoming this nice brown color, and the mushrooms are also cooking as well. So if it looks like it's about to burn, just add a bit more water just so it can continue cooking. And keep mixing because otherwise the garlic and the sauce will just burn very quickly. Okay, I'm going to add these parts of the pak choy now. Mix. Cook this for maybe 3 minutes or so. Adding a bit more water. It's nicely cooking away. I would say this is now ready and nearly done. So you still want this to be quite crunchy, not too soft. So when it's crunchy and juicy, that's when it's very tasty. So I'm going to add these leaves now. Add all of it and just cook it for 2-3 minutes. I added a little bit water to prevent it from burning, and I'm just cooking it a bit longer than 2-3 minutes actually, because I want the water to evaporate. Alright, so this is done now, and I'm going to serve it with the rice. So here's the rice, and I'm going to serve all of it. I'm going to take some of this sesame seeds and crush it and put it on top for extra flavor. And there you have it. Miso flavored mushroom and pak choy with rice. Okay, I'll just show you what it looks like. That will be really tasty.